Linking your bank account to Outlook 2025 can help you manage your finances more effectively by integrating your financial information with your email. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Open Outlook 2025. Launch the Outlook 2025 application on your computer or device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the file menu located in the upper left corner. Click on Account Settings and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Add a new account. In the Account Settings window, click on Need to add a new account. Choose the option for email account and click Next. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Select the option to manually configure server settings. Enter your bank account details as prompted, including your bank server information and your account credentials. Step 5. Test the connection. Once you have entered all necessary information, click on Test Account Settings to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, click Close and then Finish to complete the setup. Now your bank account should be linked to Outlook 2025, allowing you to manage your financial information directly from your email.